How can research and education networks connect musicians in different countries so they can rehearse and perform together? Hands-on training gave national research and education networks, NRENs, from Eastern Partnership countries, EAP, practical experience in setting up network connectivity combined with LoLa, low-latency audiovisual streaming system, during a 4-day workshop in Tallinn, Estonia, from the 18th to the 21st of July.
LoLa is a really high-end computer environment where you can share the local experience of crystal clear audio and best picture on the market to a far distance, let's say thousands of kilometers.
The Estonian Academy of Music and Theatre provided training, leadership and technical support, based on the rich LoLa experience that it gained through the 2017 Music Without Borders concert, organized by EaPConnect and subsequent other events.
So we got LoLa in this institution in October 2000, basically last year, October of last year. And since then we have been using for our everyday life.
We have done many performances and master classes. I have visited Belarus, Minsk, and also Armenia, and we have done performances via Belarus and Tallinn, and Armenia and Tallinn, and they were quite successful.
It's very essential to us because with that we can give our teachers the way to teach in a modern way. It is highly recommended to all academics people to use LoLa as much as they ever want to.
Around 20 network and sound specialists and musicians from 4 EAP and 3 partner EU countries met at the Estonian Music Academy to exchange practical experience and theoretical knowledge, to interact and share best practices in a very dynamic environment.
The LoLa training days are the first event of his kind, and it's the first time that we're organizing something like that. And, but for sure, it's not going to be the last one. We already have the plan to repeat that in the next autumn.
Мы ознакомились не только по техническим вопросам, и были проведены практические занятия, которые мы видели, как в практике это делается, и было очень интересно вот послушать именно записи.
I want to say a lot of thanks to this team. Trainer team, it's absolutely professional, and whole concert awaits from LoLa, Music Without Borders.
LoLa is a wonderful possibility of connecting different people, different minds, different musical experiences and inspirations.
Each day of training was followed by a rehearsal, with the week culminating in a real LoLa use case. Remote transitions, a concert with a live connection between Tallinn and 2 locations in Italy. Well-known musicians from Georgia and Germany, Rezo Kignadze and Vladi Bistrov, played saxophones in Tallinn together with musicians in Trieste and a dancer in San Giorgio, Venice, showcasing to an audience in San Giorgio, Venice, how seamless a connection the networks and LoLa provide.
So I can see only a bright future for LoLa for several reasons, because it has been taught by musicians for musicians. So in the specific field of Academy of Music, I would say that LoLa has a bright future.
The Tallinn activities were hosted and facilitated by the Estonian Music Academy. The Italian activities were coordinated with the Conservatory of Trieste as part of an Italian music festival. The Tallinn events were organized by the EaPConnect project in cooperation with the Italian NREN.
We had the opportunity to welcome 8 countries and about 20 participants. We had a really great time, very interesting ideas for new projects, for new collaborations. Everybody had a good opportunity to share knowledge, to have a hands-on experience with the LoLa technology, which is fantastic.